Welcome to Movement and Function. I'm Beth Wagner. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 quick and easy exercises to do if you wake up with a kink in your neck. These are great if you find yourself waking up after sleeping in a weird position and you can't fully move your head. The first thing you want to do is take a few deep breaths. Oftentimes, it's a little freaky if we wake up with severe pain and our neck is stuck. And everything tends to tighten up, and that only makes it worse. So the first thing you want to do, just sitting comfortably on the side of your bed, is to relax your shoulders and take a few deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. See if you can get your shoulders to relax a bit, your head, your neck, and your upper back to just relax a little bit in a neutral position. Once you're ready to see if we can start moving your neck, the first exercise is a chin tuck. With your chest lifted and good posture, you'll do a small chin tuck. Bring your chin back and down, as if you're giving yourself a double chin. This is not chin to chest like this. This is a chin tuck, bringing your head straight back. Pause there and then relax. Try 5 of these to begin with. The next exercise is a shoulder blade squeeze. Keeping your chin a little bit tucked, squeeze your shoulder blades down and back. Pause there and then relax. Squeeze down and back and relax. 5 repetitions. These first 2 exercises will help realign your spine and get your neck ready to really start moving. The last 2 exercises are contract, relax exercises to help your neck start moving in the direction where it's limited or stuck. First one is a side bending exercise. So let's start with the left side. Put your left hand up on the left side of your head with a little bit of a chin tuck. Now gently press into your head as you try and tip your head over to the left. This should be super gentle. You're barely starting with any pressure. Hold for 3 seconds and then take the pressure off and try and tip your head to the left. And then do that again in the next position. Press 1, 2, 3, and try and move your head in that direction. And then come back up. Now we'll go to the right. So press 1, 2, 3. Take your hand away and try to tilt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again in this position. Press 2, 3, and relax. 2, 3, 4, 5, and come back up. So continue alternating left and right sides 3 times. All right, the last contract, relax exercise is with rotation. We'll start again on the left side. Press your left hand into the left side of your head as if you're trying to turn your head this time. So instead of the motion like you're tipping your head, you're actually pressing as if you're going to turn your head. So you're going to gently press in for 3 seconds while your head is pressing against your hand as if you were going to turn your head this way. So press 2, 3. Now move your hand and turn your head as far as it'll go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do it again. Press in and hold. 2, 3. Bring your hand down and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the center. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Press in as if you were trying to turn your head. 1, 2, 3. And move your hand. And then turn your head as far as you can. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time on the right side. Press in, push, 2, 3. Move your hand, try to turn and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, and come back to the center. With repeated performance of this exercise, the area that is stuck will be released, and then you'll be able to fully turn your head or tip your head. You can also experiment with which side you start with and see what works best for you. Sometimes it works best to actually start in the direction where you're limited. Sometimes it works best to start in the opposite direction, sort of prime the pump before you work into the painful range. See what feels best for you. Once you get your range of motion back and you're able to move in all directions pretty easily, you will probably benefit from doing just some simple active range of motion exercises for a few days to maintain that new range of motion. So that would simply be bringing your chin down to your chest and then bringing your chin up and turning your head right and left and tipping your head side to side. Keep those motions slow and gentle, and keep doing the chin tucks and the shoulder blade squeezes. Both of those exercises can be very helpful to keep things loose and flexible. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and it's always great to see a thumbs up. Here's to your healing, health, and happiness. Have a fantastic day.